May I now direct the prosecution to comply with the request of the gentleman from Cebu. Instead of the President, the first witness to take this stand ought to be the manager of the Katipunan branch of the bank involved.
We comply, Your Honor.
Proceed. And may I direct the President to stay in the on those seats at the back on his track, so that he will be readily available to be asked questions
Yes,
in the course of the testimony of Ms. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, Ms. Annabel Chongson is here, we were informed.
Put her on the witness stand under the same oath.
Inaantabayanan po ng Senate Impeachment Court ang pagdating nitong branch manager ng PS Bank Katipunan Branch. Ito yung request ni Senator Judge Osmeña. Kahapon ay ninais nga na patutuhanan itong mga dokumento at ito ang nais masettle ngayong araw.
Nilinaw ni Senator Osmeña na ang pinatawag talaga ay yung branch manager. At mukhang tama naman kasi dahil siya ang merong primary jurisdiction, siya may hawak ng dokumento.
Senator Osmeña, I think, still has the floor to ask questions on the witness.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, yesterday, when this representation asked you if you had complied with the subpoena and brought all the peso savings account, current accounts, time deposits, certificate of deposit, settlement accounts, investment management and trust accounts, unit investment trust funds, mutual funds, and I know you're not, you don't sell mutual funds in the PS Bank, and any all other financial instruments offered by the Philippine Savings Bank in the name of Chief Justice Corona. Did you bring those documents with you, Ms. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Johnson, would you like to present them to the court, please?
I have with me certifications on the accounts, peso accounts. Will I go through them, Your Honor, one by one?
Yes, please. For the record, state the number of the account,
Okay.
the type of account it is, when it was opened, and the balance as of December 31st of those various years, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010.
These are peso accounts, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then they're linked to a particular PS bank account number in the name of the respondent.
Your Honor, they are all independent accounts.
Independent accounts. Okay, but proceed.
The first account number requested was 089-121-017-358. Under the account name, Renato Corona. The account type is peso time deposit with opening date on January 26, 2009. The opening balance is 2,100,000. The closing date is April 16, 2009. The balance says as of December 31, 2002, based on the record, is none because the account was not yet opened. On December 31, as of December 31, 2003, the account was not yet opened. The December 31, 2004, the account was not yet opened. The balance as of December 31, 2005, account was not yet opened. As of December 31, 2006, account was not yet opened. As of December 31, 2007, account was not yet opened. As of December
Ms.
31...
Tiongson,
Yes, sir.
you don't have to go to those
Okay.
years when the account was not yet opened. Just tell us what was the balance on December 31st, 2009, and on December 31st, 2010.
The balance based on the record as of December 31, 2009 is 0. The balance as of December 31, 2010 is 0.
All right. Would you like to go to the next account?
The next account is 089-121-019-593. Based on the record, it's under the name of Renato Corona. The account type is peso time deposit. The opening date is December 22, 2009. The opening balance is 8,500,000. The closing date is December 12, 2011. So I'll start, Your Honor, with the balance as of December 31, 2009, which is 8,500,000. The balance as of December 31, 2010 is 12,580,316.56, and the balance as of December 31, 2011 is 0. Your Honor.
All right. Next account, please.
I'll go to the next account with account number 089-121-02-0122. Based on the record, it's under the account name Renato Corona. The account type is peso time deposit. The opening date is March 4, 2010. The opening balance is 3,700,000. The closing date is April 23, 2010. I'll start with 2010. The balances as of December 31, 2010, based on the record, is 0.
Next account, please.
The next account is with account number 089-121-02-1681. Based on the records, the account is under the account name Renato Corona. The account type is peso time deposit with opening date on September 1, 2010. The opening balance of 7,090,099.45. The closing date is December 12, 2011. The balances as of December 31, 2010 is 7,148,238.83. The balance as of December 31, 2011 is 0.
Very good. Next account, please.
The next account is with account number 089-121-011-957. The record shows that it's under the account name of Renato Corona. The account type is peso time deposit. The opening date is May 16, 2007. The opening balance was 2 million. The closing date was October 2, 2008. The balances as of December 31, 2007, based on the record, is 5,018,255.26. As of December 31, 2008, the balance was 0.
Thank you for that. Ms. Johnson, are
Yes.
there any other accounts?
Your Honor, I also have here a bank certification signed by the President. May I just read it,
Yes, please.
Your Honor? Gentlemen, it's dated February 14, 2012. This is to certify that Renato Corona has no peso account at Philippine Savings Bank that is classified as Investment Management and Trust Accounts, or IMA, Unit Investment Trust Accounts, Trust Funds, or UITF, and Mutual Funds. This certification is issued in compliance with the subpoena ad testificandum and duces tecum dated 13 February 2012 for whatever legal purpose it may serve.
Thank you.
Signed by the President.
Now, does Justice Renato C. Corona have any other accounts of whatever kind in PS Bank, aside from those 5 accounts, and aside, not mentioning the dollar accounts?
May I consult my, sir, I
Yes,
don't
please.
have the record, sir, I'm sorry.
Okay.
To my knowledge, Your Honor, I do not know, but these are the only ones that I have on hand.
Those are the ones you have on hand. You do not know. You're not saying there is none.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. That's all for this witness, Mr. President. I would like to reserve my right to propound questions of the President, Mr. Garcia, when it is the time comes.
You want to do it now? We will discharge the.
Mr. President, please.
If it please the court, yes.
If is the prosecution through with this witness?
We,
This
May I,
senator from Iloilo.
As I pointed out earlier, this testimony is hearsay because she was not the one who actually entered these into the records or actually received the money. But as I said, if you lay the foundation, then her testimony will become an exception to the rule against hearsay. I promised that I would show how to lay the foundation with this witness, and I will proceed to do so under the time-honored tradition in the courtroom that if the lawyer is going to miss something extremely important to his case, the judge may step in and show the way, and then after that turn it over to the prosecution. So please allow me to lay the foundation. Ms. Witness, did you recently receive a subpoena directing your bank to produce certain documents at this trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
You received a subpoena. And you have been reading out these records to us. What are these records? What are they called? What are they entitled?
Based on the record, it's called bank certification.
Oh,
Your
those are
Honor.
bank certifications. All right. What use does your company make of these kinds of certifications?
These are usually issued, Your Honor, for whatever purpose that is being served.
That's a very vague specification. Tell your legal manager in the bank not to use that anymore. It's completely useless. It should have said that it was issued for the purpose of this impeachment hearing. So we'll so consider it.
Your Honor, it says here that this certification is issued upon the request of the impeachment court
There.
through subpoena ad testificandum et duces tecum addressed to the branch manager
All
of
right.
PS Bank Katarungan.
We already read out the information to us, so we already know what kind of information is